Hoover sucks.
Just as Hannah had conceived Samuel, so would I conceive a special son. Oh Lord, what is this that you have visited upon my womanhood? And then the realization charged over me, and the Lord was upon me, and my ovaries was sanctified with the Holy Spirit. I put the children in the immediate charge of the college, and I descended upon the cellar. Dickerson, you must take me. The Lord has spoken. We are to create his child. No! I cannot find my mommy, and the colored is left for the day. Here I have this thirst for ginger beer, and there's nobody to get it for me. I can't get it myself. Everybody knows it's a woman's duty. Men are not to work in the kitchen. Everybody knows that. Never, ever tell anyone what you just heard. Do you understand? If you tell, I'll put you on my list. When people are on my list, they stay on my list until I take them off. I keep very good records. Ooh, this is naughty. I'm a Yankee Doodle Dan.
Edgar, take that off at once. It is a sin, a perversion for a man to wear women's clothing.
I'm sorry, Mommy. I was only playing, pretending to be a naughty vaudeville girl like in the shows we go see.
Bend over and ask the Lord's forgiveness. Your mommy has decided that you shall pursue a career in government. Edgar, you will be a statesman.
Like George Washington?
Yes, like George Washington. Promise me you'll be like George Washington. Promise me.
I promise, Mommy. I promise I'll be like George Washington.
George Washington never dressed like a girl.
He had big hair and a ponytail.
How dare you, Edgar! And if you break these promises, Edgar, you will become like the little girl in the song.
I'll be scattered everywhere.
And nobody will love you.
He used to call home all the time. Mama, I don't know what to do. FDR's threatened to cut my budget. What should I do? Wham, wham, wham. Bug the bastard. That was my advice. Find the scandal. Everybody has one. Follow the old man wherever he goes. It can't be that difficult. He's in a damn wheelchair! Boys, this is a show called the FBI. And it's my show. I'm the director, the producer, and the star. You are my chorus boys. Presidents, emperors, dictators, they come, they go. But in this land, in these United States, day after day, year after year, there are only two things of which you can be certain. The liberal communist vermin and their archenemy, seated right here at this desk, holding liberty in the palm of his hand. Yours truly, J. Edgar Hoover. Heil Hoover! Here, I brought you flowers. You know, Buster, my colored chauffeur, delivers an expensive bouquet of fresh roses every month. I know you get them. I have Buster follow. Oh, and you should have seen the way I played with those movie cameras. I can't wait to see the newsreels. Hell, I should have been a movie star. And I've got tape recordings of humping, panting, kissing, and coming. Yep, I've got it all. I've got a whole library full of fucking. I am a goddamn American institution, and that little Kennedy prick wants to make my life hell! Yes, sirree, Clyde. People are pigs. Now, where was I? Oh, yeah. I need a hobby. A goddamn hobby. So sit back, buckle up, and say the Pledge of Allegiance. Miss Mary's gonna teach you boys how to be real goddamn Americans. Some people think Jackie was a queen. Shit! Jackie was nothing but a cute pussy. It takes a lot more to be a queen, and being cute just ain't enough. It's about power! And Jackie never had much of that. But me, I am the most powerful bitch in the free world. Some people think it's the president, the Congress, and the cabinet. Well, let me tell you, I have survived 8 goddamn presidents. Coolidge, Hoover, Roosevelt, Truman, Eisenhower, Kennedy, Johnson, and Nixon. I made it through the Great Depression, World War II, Korea, Vietnam, and the goddamn Civil Rights Movement. I have been in power for 48 fucking years! And I did it by collecting information. Yeah. I got something on everybody. You! And you!